Hi everyone, welcome to BMA 708 Marketing Insights into Big Data. My name is Professor Stephen D'Alessandro and I'm the unit coordinator for this subject. Have you ever bought a house and wondered whether you're getting a good deal? Organised an Airbnb holiday and wondered where the best place to go was? And are you concerned about how you might balance logging with recreational tourism such as mountain bike riding? All these three areas I've just described are assignments we cover, and they're obviously important issues for all of us. But these are all assignments which deal with big data analysis from a marketing point of view. So really the subject is about data visualization and insights into big data. How can you get the best deal on a house? Is it doing better than other suburbs? How do you work that out? Is it price increases, percentage increases compared to what? So we look at some Tasmanian real estate data to take that into account. Organising an Airbnb holiday. How do we know it's a good place? What are some of the attractions around? What are some of the options in different types of rooms we organise? Obviously, marketing managers need to think about this from the point of view of the customer, so we look at that as well. That's our second assignment, using an approach called Tableau. The first one uses Excel. The third one, how do we balance the interests of logging, say in Derby, with the mountain biking that occurs there, is an example where we construct a model. We call this a simulation, using a program called Insight Maker, and that's our third assignment. So I'm looking forward to teaching you in what is a challenging subject. It's interesting, but you won't be bored. Welcome aboard.